Hey guys, there's a lot going on for the upcoming Redmi Note 5, and this video is not about some latest leaks and renders. This video is about what to expect and when to expect from the Note 5. But wait, we do have some new renders of the Note 5 from 91 Mobile and Waqar Khan. And man, this thing is hot. Seriously man, this thing is beautiful. And by the way, there's a lots of confusion about the release date of the Note 5. Some of you said that it will release on 31st of October, which is past, so no, the release date is not 31st October. There's no official release date yet, but looking at the history, the Note 5 will supposedly arrive in late January, as the Note 4 also arrived in January and the Redmi Note 4 also arrived in February. So wait for the Note 5 until January. The pricing of the Note 5 will be around 14,000 or 14,500 Indian rupees for the top 64GB model, and the pricing for the base variant will be around 11,000 rupees. All these three models will come standard with the new futuristic 18:9 aspect ratio bezel-less display. And if you guys remember this image from around a month ago, which claimed to be of the Note 5, but I do think that these bezels are way small, even smaller than the Galaxy Note 8, which costs around 5 times more than the Note 5. So seriously, this does not look like a under 15,000 rupees phone. This looks way expensive, which is not a bad thing, but it puts us in a position of doubt. Whereas these new 91 mobile renders are close to life. They have smaller bezels, but not very small. The buttons are still on the bottom bezel, which is a Redmi hallmark, and this also saves some screen space. The top bezel of the Note 5 holds the regular stuff like speaker, camera and sensors. And talking of cameras, the dual cameras are at the back stacked in a vertical position, and the fingerprint scanner is placed exactly below them. We still don't know the functionality of the secondary camera, but I think it will be a 2x optical zoom lens, as Xiaomi has done it already with the Mi 6. I will definitely love this design over this one, as this has way smaller bezels, but let's be realistic. I don't think that it's possible to build such kind of smartphone under 15,000 rupees. If you guys think that this is the real one, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys don't think that this is the real one, again let me know in the comments down below. I will cover everything about the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of that. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.